So I have here my design. So it's a me, myself, and I, and then a journey to self-love. So basically, it's like a book cover. Now let's say we want to turn this into like a landscape. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the orientation of your design on Canva. So before you can do this kind of video or like this kind of editing onto your design, you will have to have Canva Pro. So yeah, it's not something that can be done easily for free. If you have to go and do it for free, which means you have to go ahead and start a design from scratch, but also you can copy the assets that you have here. But the thing that you need to remember is that not all of the assets that you have may even be used by you, because a lot of the good assets, like for example this one, could be coming from Canva Pro. But doesn't mean that you're not gonna have a chance at all. If you go ahead and scroll down in the link in the description, you will find that there is a link that will give you access to Canva Premium for 30 days for free. Okay, so it's a free trial. So I have here my design. So it's a me, myself, and I, and then a journey to self-love. So basically, it's like a book cover. Now let's say we want to turn this into like a landscape book cover. Now, first of all, one thing that I would like to do is to know what is the resolution of this design. So if I go here to file, I will see that it's 512 pixels to 800 pixels. Now in order to change the orientation, we just need to put this two numbers on the other side of each other. For example, we're gonna write 800 first before 512. And how we do that is we go here to resize, and then we go ahead and click on custom size. So we have it here. We just need to click on landscape. And what it will do is it will change the orientation of this image. So we go ahead and continue. And then we just wait for the preview to appear. And then we just click on resize the design. And as you can see, it turned the design into this. So yeah, it looks so seamless, like nothing has happened at all. So that's it. That is how you can change the orientation of your design from portrait to landscape, or from landscape to portrait, vice versa. So other things that you can do is maybe you can rearrange the elements in this background to match the rest, you know. Just like that. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.